In 1786 to 1787, the landlord Pranciškus Molis initiated the building of Imbrad Church. More than a century later, in 1891, the church was renovated and the sacristy was attached to it thanks to the brothers Jonas and Pranciškus Prūsokas. For many years, Vytautas Antanas Šamšonas was a priest of Imbrad Church and spread Lithuanianness, national awareness, and religion in the parish. In 1961, the priest was killed for his activism and was buried in the churchyard. Built on high stonework foundation, the church is made of oak and pine logs, is of a rectangular layout with a three-wall apse and has a small sacristy on the right. A portico of the main facade betrays the fact that the church is neoclassical in style. The four supporting columns of the high pedestals are made of bricks and plastered over. They support the smooth architrave and the cornice above it, decorated with modillions. The eaves of the high triangular pediment are adorned with verge trims, decorated in teeth pattern, and the panel center has a semicircular window with a ray pattern glazing, and the rim carved in round teeth pattern. The pediment is topped with a quadrangular turret with a double four-sided roof, complete with a spike and an ornamented cross. The apse ridge is topped with a metal structure containing a bell. The gable church roof is covered with sheet steel, and above the apse it is three-sided, above the presbytery, two-sided. The main facade has a two-leaf door and a finely partitioned window above it with a triangular dripstone. High rectangular-shaped windows with triangular dripstones are on both sides of the door. The windows of segmental arches, separated by decorative feature of side facades, also have triangular dripstones. The church is completely boarded with horizontal planks. The interior of Imbradas Church of Crucified Jesus has one nave, and the organ space is supported by two columns. The main altar is decorated with a 19th century crucifix sculpture. The churchyard is surrounded with a stonework fence with an iron gate. A single-volume belfry is attached to the fence.